If your iPhone screen rotates at any slightest opportunity, maybe while you are surfing the net or while you open the Photos app or any application on your phone, this makes your iPhone screen to rotate. Now you want to disable the lock screen rotation on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to lock screen rotation in iPhone, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center, then locate the orientation lock. Your orientation lock serves as the lock screen feature on your iPhone. So once you find the orientation lock and discover that the orientation lock is turned on, then this means that the portrait mode is disabled. So like this, you'll not be able to use your iPhone in rotation mode. It's that your iPhone is not going to rotate. But if the orientation lock is disabled and you see portrait orientation lock is turned off, that shows your iPhone can easily rotate and turn on landscape mode. Now, if you go back to the same Photos app, you rotate it, then you see the Photos app rotated. Now, for you to not lock screen rotation on iPhone, what you need to do is go back to the control center. Make sure you tap to turn on portrait orientation lock. Once you have the portrait orientation lock on your iPhone, this is going to lock screen rotation on iPhone. So if that's turned on, go ahead and open any supported application. The rotation is not going to work again, and that's going to disable auto rotation on your iPhone. So that is exactly how to lock screen rotation on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.